Communication can be defined as the process of conveying a message from a sender to receiver by using symbols. Thus, communication has the following concept, namely the sender of the message, speaker or writers, and the message topic, and the recipient, listener or readers. Basically, humans communicate by the using of means of communication. They are language and sign in and language is a communication tool. Language is a symbol of sound system produced by human speech organ, and language is also a collection of words. They have meaning, and so in linguistics is the study of language, including the structure, meaning, and use in communication. This field covers various branches such as phonology, the study of speech sound, morphology, the study of word formation, syntax, the study of sentence structure, semantic, the study of meaning, and pragmatics, the study of language used in context. Relationship, communication, language, and linguistics are closely related. Communication is the process of transmitting information or message between individuals or groups. Language is the primary tool used in communication, whether in spoken, written, or seen form. Linguistics is the significant study of language, including in structure, meaning, and usage. Difference communication, language, and linguistics is a broader concept, includes various ways to convey message, such as language, facial expression, body movements, and technology. Language is a system of symbols and rules used for communication, both verbal or non-verbally. Linguistics is the significant study of language, analyzing how its word develops and used by the humans. Yes, I agree with the statement that when discussion phonetic, that most important things to do is to have a proper understanding of phonetics. The first is mental knowledge. Phonetics is the study of speech sound, including their production, transmission, and perception. Without a proper understanding of phonetics, it's difficult to accurately analyze and discuss how sound function in language. The second is accuracy in the description. Phonetics inflows surface articulatory, acoustic, and auditory details. Misunderstanding phonetics correlate increase of how sound and process and received affecting linguistic analysis, and the third is application linguistics and communication. A strong foundation in phonetics is essential for various fields such as language teaching, speech therapy, and phonology. Without perfect knowledge, applying phonetic concept in a real-world context will be challenged. The first is effective communication in discussion. When the discussion phonetics, a proper understanding and show them like voicing, place of articulation, and manner of articulation are used correctly, auditing, confusion, and mistransportation. Thus, having a proper understanding of phonetic curricle of meanings, difficult discussion process analysis, and particular in language studies or studies and communication. Yes, I agree that students read Toliar definition from both online search and linguistic. My reason because broader perspective learning from multiple source allows students to gain their own understanding of linguistic concept. Different sources may explain the same concept in varying ways, making to a research to comprehend reliable and academic knowledge definition from linguistic and essential because they come from experts who have been studied and researched language systematically. This definition ensure accurate and daily the update information online source and provide present update on linguistic studies, specifically readily available files like computational linguistics and social linguistics. Critical thinking development. Comparing definition from different sources help students develop analysis skill. They learn to evaluate reliability, the fidelity, and information understand, saving everything to face value. Practical applications. Some online search present linguistic concept in simple transmission with real world example, making it easy for students to apply what they are learning in communication, language teaching or research. However, it is important to answer that online search are credible, such as academic websites, peer-reviewed journals, and medical conferences. Combining the research with definition from linguistic balance for understanding the communication and online search. From the online search, a number of significant of phonetics are found, such as phonetic as science or study of speech sound and their production, transmission, and uh, reception, and their analysis, classification, and transcription. And from the level state, the phonetics is connected with the speech sound, occur and language of the word. It makes effort to know what the sound are they with fall into patterns and how they change in different channels. From the affirmation definition, we can identify three similar concepts with the can be used to formulate another definition, the reception mutually. So from the definitions, speech sound, speech organization, articulation, speech sound production. The three um, source of phonetics. From the online search, a number of significant of phonetics are found, such as phonetic as science or study of speech sound and their production, transmission, and uh, reception, and their analysis, classification, and transcription. And from the level state, the phonetics is connected with the speech sound, occur and language of the word. It makes effort to know what the sound are they with fall into patterns and how they change in different channels. From the affirmation definition, we can identify three similar concepts with the can be used to formulate another definition, the reception mutually. So from the definition, speech sound, speech organization, articulation, speech sound production. The three um, source of phonetics. Sign sound are different from the letters. A new and different set of symbols is needed to represent that speech sound. Science and effort has been made to create a universal system of transcribing speech sound to help the language teachers even learning transcribing language consistently and accurately. The system is formed now the International Phonetic Alphabet. The IPA not only transcribes speech sound but also first a symbol to perspect sound. Speech sounds are simply processed by flowing air from the loud mouth. However, there varies the sound quality to be used for communication, ideas in speaking. We need articulation that to movement of speech organ articulation. Articulation are the organs of speech that people use for producing the speech sound of a language. They include the lips, teeth, liver, right, and ballet, velum, soft palate, Avula, glottis, and various parts of the throat. Um, Rachel defined articulation two types in passive articulation and active articulations. Active articulation move the relative to passive articulation, which remains till the produce various speech sound. In particular manner of articulation, the user lip, tip, alveolar, right, hair bladder, soft plate, uvula, and oral perspective articulation. The most important articulation is the talk, is the involved the producing of the majority of sound. The lower lips is another active articulation, but glottis is no active articulation because it's not only a speech between vocal folds. Speech sounds are simply produced by flowing air from the mouth to the mouth. However, to vary the sound quality to be used for communication. As in speaking, we need articulation that is the movement of speech organ articulars. Articulation are the organ of speech that people use in producing and speech sound of a language. They, including the lips, teeth, alveoli, hair, palate, velum, soft palate, alveologlottis, pairs, speech sound production refers to the process of using articulation to produce sound, which is the start from following the air provided by the lung. The air then goes through the glottis in the larynx that then is modified by the vocal tracts or vocal apparatus into different quality of sound in consonant and vowels. Consonant sound are made by blocking the airflow completely the partly during the speech. The production of consonant sound is mainly determined by two factors: the place where the sound are produced, place of articulation, and manner how they are articulate, manner of articulation. For example, how someone wants to make a P sound. He is to move his two lips come together tightly and then blocks the airflow for a moment. After that, he has to release the air pressure suddenly in the mouth, which causes possible sound. The place of articulation of this sound is therefore called labial, and the manner is called stop or now as plosive.